Hi, I'm Joseph from J&D Heirloom Seeds. As spring rounds the corner, it's about time you need to start thinking about what you want in your summer garden. In this second segment of J&D Heirloom Seeds Plant Lab, I'm going to show you how to plant jalapeno peppers. Okay, this is what you're going to need to start planting your jalapeno pepper seeds, which is the same as tomatoes and any other of the tomato family. As you can see, we've added a new thing to the plant lab. This is a heat mat with a thermostat. What the thermostat does with heat mat is you plug it in and it keeps your soil temperature with this prong that you stick in the soil at a constant degrees of 75 or above. Now, when you stick your pots on it, it will heat, and it heats it from the bottom up, which is very important instead of heating it from the top up. Okay, this is what you're going to need to start. You're going to need a 4-pack or a 6-pack, some fine dirt that consists of peat moss and perlite. You will need some water to water your plants after, and do not forget to make sure that your soil is moist. Then you will need some of J&D Heirloom Seeds jalapeno pepper seeds. It's best if you put them in a dish so that you don't lose your seeds, and you can limit the amount of seeds that you pour out from the packet so you don't waste. You will need a name tag so you don't forget what you're planting, a permanent marker to write on your name tag, a pencil that has a little marker right here, about an 1/8 of an inch, and then you will need a little bit more dirt to finish off potting. Step 1. You will need to poke holes to the line that you've made on your pencil. That's about an 1/8 of an inch. Poke little holes. Now, if you have 4 cells in one pack, you can plant 5 seeds just to ensure that you get at least 4 plants out of them. Okay, the second step is to get your seeds and drop them into the holes you have just created. Now, sometimes if you have trouble getting the seeds onto your hands, you can lick your hands and seeds will stick to your fingers. Okay, now that we have finished planting our pepper seeds in the holes, cover them up gently and grab your extra bit of soil and just not too much, not too little, and sprinkle a little bit on just to make sure that your seeds are not exposed to the sunlight. Then you must get your water. Now, this is something that we have created. You get a water bottle, Deer Park water bottle, any drinking water bottle. Get the cap and poke 5 or 6 holes in it. What that does is, instead of having a huge jet stream out that could wash away your seeds, it only does a little drop, so you can ensure that your seeds aren't getting washed away and they still get the amount of water that they need. Okay, after that, you do not want to forget to label your 4-pack, or you can forget, and then you won't know till you start getting fruit from it. So you put it at the edge of your pack so that it is perfectly level with the pack, so you can see what you want. Now, for J&D Heirloom Seeds, I've just showed you how to plant jalapeno peppers. Okay, now we are done planting our jalapeno pepper seeds. What you need to do is lay them on your heat mat, which you can lay more pots if you would like. Set your thermostat to 75 degrees or more. 80 degrees is probably more what you want. Do not forget to put your prong in, because that measures what the degrees is in your soil so you can heat it. Put your prong in on the corner of your thing and watch your plants grow. With this heat mat, we have been able to have a 100% sprouting rate, which is unbelievable. Till next time, thank you for joining me from J&D Heirloom Seeds Plant Lab.